Lions, with their majestic manes and powerful roars, are often called the kings of the jungle. Their regal appearance and commanding presence have made them symbols of strength and nobility across various cultures and civilizations throughout history. These magnificent creatures are not just icons of the wild. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. However, lions primarily inhabit the savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of Africa. These environments provide the perfect backdrop for their hunting prowess and social structures. The vast open spaces allow them to use their speed and strength to their advantage, while the scattered trees and bushes offer cover for stalking prey. While they reign supreme in these habitats, their dominance is constantly challenged by other large predators, especially other big cats. Leopards, cheetahs, and hyenas are just a few of the competitors that share the same territories and resources. Each of these species has evolved unique adaptations to survive, leading to a complex web of interactions and rivalries. Lions have a notorious intolerance for their feline relatives, engaging in fierce competition for resources, territory, and even survival. These confrontations can be brutal, often resulting in injuries or even death. The stakes are high, as securing a territory rich in prey can mean the difference between life and death for a pride. This rivalry stems from the fundamental ecological principle of niche overlap, where multiple species compete for the same limited resources. When two or more species occupy similar niches, they vie for the same food, water, and shelter, leading to inevitable conflicts. This competition is a driving force in the evolution of these species, pushing them to develop strategies to outcompete their rivals. In the case of lions and other big cats, this competition is exacerbated by their similar dietary requirements, overlapping territories, and predatory instincts. Both lions and their rivals are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. This status brings with it a constant need to assert dominance and control over their environment. This constant struggle for dominance shapes the dynamics of predator-prey relationships and influences the structure of the entire ecosystem. The presence of multiple top predators creates a balance that regulates the populations of prey species, preventing any one group from becoming too dominant. This balance is crucial for the health and stability of the ecosystem. Understanding the reasons behind this animosity requires delving into the behavioral ecology of these fascinating creatures. By studying their behaviors, scientists can uncover the underlying mechanisms that drive these interactions. This knowledge is essential for developing effective conservation strategies that can help protect these species and their habitats. By examining the competition for resources, territoriality, predatory behaviors, and ecological impacts, we can gain valuable insights into the complex relationships between lions and other big cats. This understanding highlights the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their continued existence. Protecting these majestic creatures and their habitats is not just about preserving a species. It's about maintaining the intricate balance of our natural world. The African savanna is home to a diverse array of predators, each with its unique adaptations and strategies for survival. This vast and open landscape, with its golden grasslands and scattered acacia trees, provides the perfect backdrop for the drama of life and death that unfolds daily. Here, the balance of nature is maintained through a complex web of interactions among various species. Among these, lions share their domain with other formidable felines such as leopards, cheetahs, and even the elusive African wild dog. Each of these predators has carved out a niche for itself, utilizing different hunting techniques and targeting different prey to coexist in this competitive environment. While these predators occupy different ecological niches, their shared need for prey inevitably leads to competition and conflict. The savanna is a battleground where survival of the fittest is the rule, and every predator must constantly adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of their environment. Leopards, known for their stealth and agility, are solitary hunters that often rely on ambush tactics to secure their meals. Their spotted coats provide excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the savannah, allowing them to get close to their prey before launching a surprise attack. Their preference for smaller prey and their ability to climb trees reduce direct competition with lions. By dragging their kills up into the branches, leopards can avoid scavengers and other predators, ensuring they can eat in relative peace. Cheetahs, on the other hand, are specialized sprinters capable of bursts of incredible speed to chase down their prey. Their lightweight, aerodynamic bodies are built for speed, with long legs, a flexible spine, and large nasal passages to take in more oxygen during a chase. Their slender build and diurnal hunting habits further distinguish them from lions. Unlike the nocturnal lions, cheetahs prefer to hunt during the cooler parts of the day, using their keen eyesight to spot prey from a distance. Despite these differences, encounters between these predators can be tense and often escalate into aggression. When territories overlap or when food is scarce, these powerful animals may clash, leading to dramatic and sometimes deadly confrontations. Lions, being social animals that hunt in groups, often view other predators as competitors and threats to their cubs. The pride's cooperative hunting strategy allows them to take down larger prey, but it also means they must defend their territory and young from other carnivores. This inherent rivalry is further intensified by the scarcity of resources, particularly during periods of drought or prey shortages. In such times, the struggle for survival becomes even more pronounced, with each predator vying for the limited food and water available. The harsh conditions of the savannah test the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures, highlighting the delicate balance of life in this iconic ecosystem. At the heart of the conflict between lions and other big cats lies the fundamental need for survival food. This primal drive shapes their behaviors, interactions, and even their social structures. The African savanna, with its vast landscapes and diverse ecosystems, becomes a battleground where these majestic creatures vie for dominance and sustenance. All predators rely on a steady supply of prey to meet their energetic demands and sustain their populations. Without a consistent food source, their survival is jeopardized, leading to fierce competition among species. This competition is not just about individual survival, but also about ensuring the continuation of their lineage. In the African savanna, this competition for food is particularly intense, as the availability of prey fluctuates with the changing seasons and environmental conditions. During the dry season, water sources become scarce, and prey animals congregate around the few remaining waterholes, making them easier targets for predators. Conversely, the wet season brings an abundance of resources, dispersing prey and making hunts more challenging. Lions, being apex predators, primarily target large ungulates such as zebra, wildebeest, and buffalo. These animals provide a substantial amount of meat, which is crucial for the survival of the pride. However, hunting such large prey requires coordination, strength, and strategy. Their cooperative hunting strategies allow them to bring down prey much larger than themselves. This teamwork is essential, as a single lion would struggle to take down such formidable animals alone. The pride's success in hunting directly influences their social structure, with stronger, more successful prides dominating prime territories. However, this success comes at a cost, as larger prey requires more energy to capture and consume, increasing the pressure to defend their kills from scavengers and rival predators. Hyenas, in particular, are notorious for challenging lions for their kills, leading to frequent and often violent confrontations. Leopards and cheetahs, with their smaller size and solitary hunting styles, often target smaller prey such as gazelles, impalas, and rodents. Their hunting techniques are more about stealth and speed, relying on surprise and quick bursts of energy to catch their prey. This approach reduces direct competition with lions for larger prey, but also comes with its own set of challenges. This reduces direct competition with lions for larger prey, but also makes them vulnerable to kleptoparasitism, where lions steal their hard-earned kills. This constant threat forces leopards and cheetahs to be ever vigilant, often dragging their kills into trees or consuming them quickly to avoid losing their meal. This constant struggle for sustenance creates a complex web of interactions, where the success of one predator can directly impact the survival of another. The delicate balance of the ecosystem hinges on these interactions, highlighting the intricate and often brutal dance of life in the wild. Each predator, from the mighty lion to the swift cheetah, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and stability of their environment. Territoriality is a fundamental aspect of animal behavior, particularly among predators. Establishing and defending a territory provides access to essential resources such as food, water, and mates, ensuring the survival and reproductive success of individuals and their offspring. Lions are highly territorial animals, maintaining large home ranges that they fiercely defend from rivals. Lions mark their territories using a combination of scent marking, roaring, and visual displays. These signals serve as warnings to intruders, advertising the presence of a pride and their willingness to defend their domain. Encounters between neighboring prides are often tense and can escalate into aggressive confrontations, sometimes resulting in injuries or even death. Other big cats, such as leopards and cheetahs, also exhibit territorial behavior, although their territories are generally smaller and overlap less with those of lions. However, even these smaller territories are essential for their survival, providing access to prey, shelter, and breeding opportunities. The constant struggle for space and resources fuels the animosity between lions and other big cats, shaping the social structure and spatial distribution of these predators across the vast landscape.